Hey everyone! I just received a special order to create a Victorian-style necklace in a soft pink colour, designed to perfectly match these clothes. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of how I made it, and let me tell you, it turned out absolutely beautiful. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you wear this necklace if it were yours? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching.